Hello everybody and welcome back to Advanced Maths. Today we're looking at graph transformations. This is part of a series of videos about translations, enlargements and reflections, so check out the other two videos if you'd like to learn more. Here we've got a line drawn, y equals f of x, and we're focusing on the coordinate minus 3, 2. What we can do is we can multiply the entire equation by 2, and that doubles the height of the curve. So it stretches it upwards. And notice what's happened to the y-coordinate here. We've doubled the y-coordinate of every point, and here, see, minus 3, 2 has become minus 3, 4. The y-coordinate has doubled. Again, I can do that with y equals a half f of x, where I'm halving the entire equation, and the y-coordinate here will halve. So the new coordinate will be minus 3, 1. Okay, so what we can say is a f of x is a vertical stretch by a scale factor of a. Now, the other transformation we were looking at, the enlargement today, is where we multiply the x inside the bracket. So here we've got f of x drawn, and we're going to multiply the x by 3. So here's y equals f of 3x. Here, because we've multiplied it inside the bracket, it goes kind of the opposite way. We divide by 3 here. So minus 3, 3, the y-coordinate, sorry, the x-coordinate has been divided by 3 because inside the bracket we multiply by 3. Similarly, here's y equals f of half of x, where we're halving the x-coordinate and the x inside. And because we're doing that, the x-coordinate gets doubled. So it's minus 3, 3, now it's minus 6, 3. Okay, that one's a bit tricky, and it's one of the hardest transformations we do in GCSE. So, what we can say is that f of ax is a horizontal stretch, it's a side-to-side stretch, horizontal, by a scale factor of 1 over a. So, if it was f of 3x, the stretch is by a third, so you third the graph, it's like you're squashing it to a third of the size, and that means the x-coordinate is multiplied by a third. F of half of x, that's like dividing the x by 2, that means we have to double the size of the curve, and that means we double the x-coordinate. You might want to pause the video now and take that in. It is a little bit complicated and it can be a little bit overwhelming. Basically, if we times it by 3, we divide the curve by 3. If we times by half, we times the curve by 2. It's kind of doing the opposite. Okay? You might want to pause the video here and screenshot this page here. You might also want to make a poster of this so you remember. You might want to rewatch that video again and see for yourself. If you're ready, you can try these practice questions here. Plot these curves on the graph yourself, draw it yourself, or you might even want to screenshot this and print it out to draw on yourself. Show me in your final sketches of these 4 curves where the coordinate 2, 3 has moved to, where this peak has moved to. Okay, I'll reveal the answer in 3, 2, 1. Okay, and I'm going to show those curves individually, so feel free to pause to check your answer step by step. Okay, so you can see each of those curves step by step there, and there they are all together. Okay, thank you for watching this week's video from Advanced Maths. Again, it was a bit of a complicated video this week. You might want to rewatch a few times. You will get there. Remember to like and subscribe to get future videos because we're covering GCSE, A-Level and IB Maths with quick and simple explanations. Thanks again for watching and good luck in your exams.